बुधवारा कलंगूट पुलीस स्थानकार कलंगूटचे आमदार मायकल लोबो हांच्या हजेरीत पुलिसांची आणि थंयच्या थळाव्यांची बसका जाली। कलंगूट भागांत जावपी गैरव्यवहारांचेर आळाबंद हाडपाक पुलिशेक सहकार्य मेळचे म्हूण ही बसका जाल्ली। आरडेस्को खातीर कलंगूटच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Are slowly getting addicted to this. First time they try it, then the next week they try it again, and then they want it everyday basis. Parents are not ready to accept that my son or daughter is taking drugs. But a rehabilitation center is the need of the hour. We cannot shy away, and the government cannot say that no, there we do not have. आमच्याकडे ड्रग केसेस व्हडल्या प्रमाणात there are lots. These are all under the wraps of the parents, of the brothers, and the sisters. They do not want their son or their brother or sister to be called a drug addict. They will not want them to go in the rehabilitation center. But until and unless we do not open it, we will have to open it. Then only people will come forward. Please take care of my son or daughter. Home where detention center. आम्ही उलोवन talklela. Even Chief Minister has taken cognizance of this in the last assembly, and he said a detention center is very much required. आता खूप जणांनी नायजेरियानाचे उलयले. All the foreigners who are overstaying or who have destroyed their passports should not be jailed. They should be put in a detention center and they should be deported from here. I will make a note of this and follow up on that Home Department has to give a special license for any club which is coming in the coastal area or anywhere in Goa.